Hello guys, now we are inside of our database. Now it's time to create the heart of database, that is tables. Basically database is just a collection of tables and only tables are responsible for holding the data. And here is the definition of tables, that it is a collection of related data held in a structured format within a database. I found this definition on Wikipedia. This is just a boring definition. Let's understand by the example. As I told you in my previous video that I'm gonna create a database of shop in which I have a customers table. You can see in this table I have ID or serial number, you can say, name, phone number, item byte and cost, and in these fields I am storing my data. As I told you, database is made up of lots of tables. So here is an example of incomplete Facebook data. The boxes in yellow are the tables and the words written inside the boxes are the fields or column of the tables. There is one more thing which we have to keep in mind while we are creating the tables. Let's suppose in our customers table we have a field cost. Instead of a number we have written 200 in words and we want to give additional discount to this customer. So how can we calculate the amount with this word? Or there might be chances that we have inserted anything which is not related to the field. So we have to specify what values our field should store. That means ID must be integer, name must be string, phone number may be string or integer, it's your choice. Item byte must be string and cost must be a integer or float value. So here comes the concept of data types. Data types are used to specify the type of values which our field or column can take. If you don't understand well, please don't worry, I will show you in command line. So here are the data types. These are too many, but at first we will use only 3 or 4 of them. To create the table I will use this command, create table, and then the table name. After that I will specify the fields of the table, and after every field I will specify the data types of the field. Now let's create our table. So let's start MySQL command line. First of all I will check my databases using show database command. You can see I have my shop database here. I will use this database. Now I will create table inside my shop database. To create a table I will write this command. Now I have a ID or serial number column inside my customer table, and this field is integer, so I will write int after the ID. And then I have name column and name is a string. For a string I will use varchar or varchar. And after the varchar I have to specify how many character it can store. I have written 50 here, so if I enter name larger than 50 character then my string will be truncated. After that I have phone number field, and I am taking as a string, so varchar will be used as data type. After that I have item byte field, which is a string. And at last I have cost field, which is an integer. You can see I got the message query OK, 0 rows affected. Now my table is created. If I check my table using show tables, you can see there is a customer table in my shop database. Now if I wanted to see the properties of my table, so there is a command for it. DESC customer. DESC means for describe customer. You can see there are 5 fields in my table and the data type of all the fields. And there are much more things to understand, but we will do this in my later videos. For now we used only two data types. Int is for integer and varchar is for string. We will use some more in my later videos. For now we will insert some data into our table. For inserting data into our table we have this command, insert into table name, and then I specify my column names. After that I write values and at last I enter my data in correct sequence. Let's check this on command line. You can see my query is OK and one row affected. That means my data is inserted into my table. To check what data is in our table, we have this command, select star from and then the table name. Select star means to select everything from this table, the table name which you have written here. If I write select star from customers, you can see I got the data of my table. Now if you wanted to insert multiple data in your table, then we will enter all the values separated by commas. Let me show you with an example. Now if I enter, you can see query OK, 2 rows affected. That means 2 datas are inserted into my table. Now if I check contents of my table using select statement, you can see I have 3 rows. Now if you wanted to delete your complete table, then we have a command for it. Drop table and then the name of the table which you wanted to delete. If I hit enter, you can see query OK and 0 rows affected. That means my table is now deleted. Now if I check my tables in my database, you can see I am getting an empty set. That means there is no table in my database. Now here is a quick exercise for you. Create a table of your choice, insert some data into it, and then use select a statement to view rows in your table, and finally delete your table.